Hey guys, it's Megan and it's day 6 of Dollar Tree week on my channel. It has been such a fun week doing all these Dollar Tree videos back to back, and I'm so glad so many of you guys have been enjoying them too. Thank you so much for all of the love and support and sweet comments this week. I really appreciate it. I've shared a couple Dollar Tree decorating videos this week, but they've all been inside, so I figured today is the perfect day to go ahead and film one outside. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you've been enjoying these Dollar Tree decorating videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. Now let's get into how I use Dollar Tree items as decor in my patio. On my patio? You know what I mean. Starting with my front yard area, I love these brackets from Dollar Tree and this hanging basket and the liner. The three of these things combined, which is only $3 total, creates such a beautiful piece once you put a plant in there. Whatever kind of flower or ivy or anything that you want, it makes that area just look so pretty, and it's so inexpensive to achieve. I just am so obsessed with these hanging baskets and their brackets. I just love them, and I think they're such a great deal. If you're wanting to spruce up your outside area, definitely try and get your hands on some of these. I shared these solar lanterns in my Dollar Tree DIY video I did the other day. I will post that down below in case you missed it and up in a card. I showed them lit up at night, but this is what they look like during the day. This is just a side of my house that my dogs like to use to go to the bathroom. It needs to be re-landscaped a bit, but those little stakes that are holding the lanterns are also from Dollar Tree, which is a great buy. They work really well. These little lanterns I think look so cute on these hooks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just loving the light that it gives off for that little path. Now on my actual back patio, I have my patio table decorated for a little family dinner outside. During the summers and springtime, we are on our patio all the time because we're always in the pool, and I didn't want to do a tablescape that was unrealistic for our family, so I just have the basics out here. It's just a casual dinner at our house, and I love the way it's set up though because it still makes you feel a little bit fancy. On the table I have so many Dollar Tree items. I have the napkins that are from Dollar Tree, which are just plain white ones. I have my little solar lanterns, which look so pretty when they're all lit up, and then I have some mason jars, which were from the Dollar Tree, and of course these really cute summery plates. And I have my little fancy Dollar Tree carafe, which I love for our lemon water. They all work so well together, and it looks so cute for the summertime. On my patio, I also have this Hello Summer wall art that I just have placed next to some faux flowers and one of my DIY candles that I showed the other day on my DIY video. I also have this cute little box that I showed in a haul not too long ago. I think it is just such a cute box for summer, so I had to include it in my outside decor. Here you can see I used some more of those Dollar Tree brackets out here. I have them all over. I think those are one of Dollar Tree's best buys for sure. Over on our little lounge area on the table, I just have that flowers and garden bucket from Dollar Tree. I loved that bucket, and I know so many other people did too. You could obviously put anything that you wanted in it or just leave it plain. I just think it looks so cute on the patio as decor. I also used the Dollar Tree brackets that I just adore on my screen to hold these solar lanterns. These solar lanterns are not from Dollar Tree, but they are from Family Dollar. They were on clearance. They might still be there at some of them. If they are and you need some solar lights in your life, go run to your Family Dollar. It gives off such a pretty feel to your home, and the evening time, I love seeing them light up, and the solar lanterns just work so awesome. And I'm so glad I was able to hang them with a good old Dollar Tree bracket. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I've been using Dollar Tree items on my patio and around my house. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. It truly means so much to me, and I will be back tomorrow for day 7 of Dollar Tree week. We'll be doing a shop with me and a little haul at the end, I'm guessing. I'm pretty sure we're gonna do a haul at the end. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want a haul with the shop with me. All right, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.